If you've ever looked up ways to make money online, chances are you have come across Freecash. It is a site that claims that you can make up to $27 per offer by taking surveys, completing simple tasks, and testing apps. But let's be real, does it actually work, or is it just a site that promises a lot but doesn't deliver? In today's video, I am putting Freecash to the test. I signed up, completed some offers, and I'm going to show you repayment proof if it's legit. We'll also go over the pros and cons so you know what to expect before spending your time on it. I've tested a lot of all these make money online platforms, and trust me, not all of them are worth it. So before you waste hours on Freecash, let's know if it's actually worth your time or just another disappointment. Oh, and if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Divine Kennedy. I make videos around side hustle and different online business model tips. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future tip. Alright, let's get into it. What is Freecash and how does it work? Freecash is a popular reward platform where users complete surveys, tasks, test apps, and in return they get rewarded for their efforts. It is available globally and allows users to redeem their earnings in various ways: PayPal, gift cards, and it's completely free to sign up for. After signing up, there are varieties of tasks or surveys that you can complete to earn rewards. So I'll just show you my accounts briefly. At the top you can see there's the featured offer section and the different tasks it contains. Now once you scroll down a little bit, you can see the different survey partners where you can participate in online surveys and you get rewarded. Another unique feature of the Freecash is the leaderboard system where top earners get rewarded for their participation in tasks daily or at the end of the month. Let's talk about the earning potential. Let's be honest, nobody's getting rich from GPT sites, but Freecash does offer competitive rates on different offers. Most GPT sites pays users anywhere from 25 cents to $1 per survey, and Freecash is no different in that category. Now, based on user reports and my own testing, if you're just doing basic tasks and surveys, expect a daily rate of $5 to $10 per day, and this may vary based on consistency, effort, and drive put into it. Let's talk about how to redeem your earnings and how much I made during the period I tested out Freecash. So there are many reward options such as cryptocurrency, PayPal, tons of different gift cards. But for the period of testing out Freecash, I made about $15.07. I participated in the online surveys, invited quite a number of few mutual friends for some passive earnings, and I was able to withdraw via PayPal. The payment was processed within 24 hours and landed in my account without any issues. Screenshot of my earnings and withdrawal will be placed on the screen so you can see payment proof. That said, some users have reported account suspension or delayed payments, but these cases are usually due to: number 1, using VPNs or fake information; number 2, violating offer terms; and the last but not the least, abusing referral program. What are the pros and cons of using Freecash? Why would you potentially sign up or potentially skip this website? Well, the first pro is huge varieties of offers. There are tons of offers that can be explored on the Freecash platform, ranging from taking surveys, completing tasks, or testing apps. The second pro is multiple ways to earn. There are daily bonuses, leaderboard, and referrals. While the third pro, global availability, it works in most countries of the world. And also low withdrawal threshold. With as low as 50 cents, you can place a withdrawal via the cryptocurrency withdrawal option. As for the cons, some high-paying surveys requires credit card sign-up. Be mindful of subscriptions. Always read through an offer before you get started with that offer. And the second cons is earnings vary by country. Some users may have fewer high-paying offers. Now the third cons, this is something that nobody tells you. For you to complete a task, it takes a lot of time and effort. So overall, Freecash is one of the better GPT sites out there, but it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to be strategic in choosing the right offer. So is Freecash legit or a scam? Based on my testing, I rate it 4 out of 5 stars. I did not get scammed. I actually placed a withdrawal and it got to my account. But I want to point it out there. This takes time, consistency, and effort to achieve results. And as you should know, individual results may vary based on effort, time, consistency, and other factors. Now that does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic week ahead of you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any of my future tips. As for now, peace.